Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just going to give you a little bit more information about this product. So this is basically the power cables for the Xbox One Kinect sensor. So if you're wanting to build your own SLS camera yourself, you'll probably need this. So if you've already got an Xbox One and you've got the Kinect, the Kinect's plugged directly into the Xbox. So in order to use it for a Stickman tracker SLS camera, you'll also need this to plug it into a computer, and you'll also need the software. So it will only work on a Windows device, which includes a Windows Phone, Windows tablet, Windows laptop and Windows PC. So yeah, this is a software which we sell separately. We also sell the whole lot as a kit if needed, which you install. It's got instructions on it already. Oops. And then you will also need the Xbox One Kinect as well. So how this all connects, so this box, it has 3 wires plugged into it in total. So there's another connection here, so that plugs into your Xbox One Kinect sensor. Then we've got the power cable which plugs into the mains, and then we've got the USB 3, which will work in USB 2 slot as well, or you can get an adapter for this that converts it to a micro USB or a USB-C. So yeah, once you've got all this plugged into a Windows device with the software installed, you can use it as an SLS camera. A link to buy this power adapter is in the link to this video description, and thanks for watching.